What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This holiday season, I want you guys to gift yourself and your loved ones something special. Something that shows that you care and actually put some thought into the gift that you're giving. As a man, we all have needs when it comes to grooming ourselves and staying on top of our game. And trust me, I know all about grooming because I've been cutting my own hair now for over 12 years. Giving myself a new haircut every single 2 weeks. And after using hair clippers, beard trimmers, and other various grooming trimmers, I found that the best and easiest way to groom my entire body, as well as my nether region, was by using the Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0. Now I've spoken about Manscaped on numerous other occasions here on my YouTube channel, and they're one of the only brands that I genuinely stand behind and feel confident sharing with my viewers. Manscaped represents quality body grooming and really creates a good stand toward having products at an affordable price that are durable and do the job correctly. The Performance Package 4.0 by Manscaped is most definitely a gift that you need to have this holiday season. With feedback from millions of customers across the world, Manscaped obsessively designed a new generation of groin grooming solutions for men looking to take care down there. Now let me dive into the Manscaped experience so you know what you're getting yourself into. The Manscaped Performance Package includes everyday grooming solutions for the modern man. If you're looking for a gift to really wow the man in your life, you gotta appreciate the Manscaped experience, starting with their unique packaging. If you're like me, you're probably not the best at wrapping Christmas gifts, but all you need to do once the Manscaped package comes in the mail is just slap a bow on it and put it under the tree. Once you open the box, you're hit with the Manscaped slogan, "Your balls will thank you." And after a few years now of using the Manscaped products, I think it's very safe to say your balls will indeed thank you. The Perfect Package 4.0 is an all-in-one men's grooming kit that literally has you covered from head to toe. And right there, smack in the middle of the box, is the star of the show and the brand new Lawnmower 4.0 trimmer. The Lawnmower 4.0 trimmer is a waterproof, cordless electric trimmer with advanced skin-safe technology. This pretty much means that you can confidently trim the tree without breaking any bulbs or cutting any wires. It has a powerful 7,000 RPM motor with quiet stroke technology, so it's strong enough to rip through any hair type, but still not ridiculously loud like some other trimmers I've owned in the past. The Lawnmower 4.0 also comes with this sleek new wireless charging dock, which makes it easy to charge after you use it. It also has this really bright LED spotlight and power status indicator, so you can trim confidently even on the coldest and darkest of winter nights. And if you plan on traveling this holiday season, you can now enjoy the new Travel Lock safety feature to help reduce the chances of your Lawnmower 4.0 accidentally turning on while in your travel bag, ultimately draining all of your battery. To avoid this completely, simply press the power button 3 times to engage and disengage the new Travel Lock feature. And if one guard from the Lawnmower 3.0 wasn't good enough, now you have 2 adjustable guards to choose from, so you can trim your hair at the length you desire. The next star of the show for the Perfect Package 4.0 is the Manscaped Weed Whacker Nose and Ear Hair Trimmer. For all of those unruly nose hairs, Santa hooks it up with the Weed Whacker's unique rotary blade system and skin-safe technology, so you can help reduce tugging and tears on Christmas morning. This is the perfect gift for dad or grandpa, because we all know that even the most mature and manly gents in the family sometimes slack on their grooming. Like the Lawnmower 4.0, the Weed Whacker trimmer is also waterproof and cordless, which makes cleanup really easy and convenient. Also, the Perfect Package 4.0 comes with the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant and the Crop Reviver Ball Spray Toner. The Crop Preserver is an anti-chafing, clear-drying moisturizer to keep your sack of presents nice and cool throughout the day. The Crop Preserver is also infused with natural hydrators and antioxidants like aloe vera, so you just need to put it on your area right after your shower for all-day odor protection. Now the Crop Reviver is this little 2-ounce bottle which is perfect to throw into your gym bag, glove box, or desk drawer. If you're ever feeling the fear of a smelly sack, spray some of this stuff and you'll be good to go. The best part about all of Manscaped's products are that they're aluminum free, cruelty free, dye free, paraben-free, and vegan, which definitely keeps Manscaped on the nice list for sure. So in honor of this giving season, Manscaped is hooking you guys up with a limited time offer for Black Friday. When you shop manscaped.com and purchase the Performance Package 4.0 bundle, as a gift or for yourself, they are hooking you guys up with 2 free gifts: the Shed Travel Bag and the Manscaped Anti-Chafing Performance Boxer Briefs. This is my go-to travel bag every time I go places, and the best part is that it was free. It's large and durable, so it makes fitting my things and traveling with it really easy. And as far as the boxer briefs, I have legit like 7 pairs of these boxers, and they're the only ones that I ever wear. My girlfriend likes them because they fit well to the body, and for me, they're extremely comfortable to wear. So pretty much, if you have a special man in your life, or if you're a man looking to up your grooming game, make sure you check out the new Performance Package 4.0 by Manscaped. Get 25% off your entire order during the Manscaped Black Friday sale at manscaped.com. It's the biggest holiday sale of the year, and you definitely won't want to miss it. I hope you all have a fantastic holiday this year and get to spend a lot of quality time with your loved ones. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!